Hi guys, welcome to this quick review of this ECPURCHASE portable blender, which is USB rechargeable. Really awesome new device, only about $20. It's almost incredible what you get for the price. It's a small device, really portable, about 400 milliliters, which you can fill. Charging time is about 3 hours, and then it lasts for 10 to 12 usage. Just fill a little bit of root and then add some liquid like water and milk and give it a little bit a shake and then start. The best is if you start it upside down and then turn it immediately back to a normal position. So the reason why you have to hold it upside down to start is that the blade can pick up speed after that. Usually it's not a problem. It is absolutely strong enough to cut even some larger pieces of strawberries, bananas, whatsoever, and the result is absolutely awesome what you get. I almost couldn't stop producing one drink after another. Also, I like these banana drinks, banana with milk, really awesome, refreshing. You will definitely like it and your family members will love it too. Also, cleaning works like a breeze, and you can do it using the blender itself. Just make sure that you don't lose any of these 3 O-rings needed to make a proper fit and absolutely watertight. And you don't have to be worried about safety. There's a built-in safety feature which prevents the blade from starting when the glass is removed. So overall, great experience, awesome device, super low price. It doesn't get any better, and as you can see, it doesn't use a lot of space. It's looking nice in your kitchen. So I'll put down the link to order this really nice device into the description down below, so you can order it right from there from Amazon. And I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.